In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a graph in Logseq. If you're new to Logseq, a graph is simply the folder that holds your notes, your pages, journals, and assets, all linked together. Opening the right graph is the first step to seeing your notes the way Logseq intends, with backlinks, queries, and the graph view all working from a single directory. First, open Logseq on your computer. If it's your first time, you might see a welcome screen. Otherwise, you'll land wherever you last worked. Don't worry about what's on the page right now. What we want is the area that lets you manage graphs. Look to the left side of the app. In the sidebar, you'll find the Logseq section. This is where the app groups entry points to your content. Click there to reveal options related to your current workspace. This takes you to the controls that let you switch, manage, or add a graph, which is perfect when you're moving between personal notes, work notes, or a shared folder. Next, select All Graphs. This is the management view where every graph you've previously opened will appear. Think of it as your home base for switching contexts. From here, you can see existing entries, remove one from the list if you no longer use it, or add a new one that lives somewhere on your computer. Inside this view, you'll notice two common actions: unlink and open a local directory. Unlink simply removes a graph from this list without touching your files. What we want is open a local directory. Click that and a file picker will open. Navigate to the folder that contains your Logseq notes. A popular and tidy choice is a folder like Documents Logseq. Select that folder itself, not an individual file, and confirm. Your chosen directory should include the standard Logseq structure, typically with pages and journals. If those folders already exist, great. If they don't, Logseq will create what it needs when the graph initializes. After you select the folder, Logseq will index your notes. You might see a brief loading indicator while it scans and prepares backlinks and references. When it's done, you'll be inside your graph, usually landing on today's journal page or your last open page. From here, everything, search, links, and the graph view, will reflect the folder you just opened. That's it. You've opened a graph in Logseq. Using the All Graphs screen and the Open a Local Directory option, point it at a folder like Documents Logseq. Keep your notes in that dedicated directory for a smooth, organized workflow.